How many years should you work before applying to business school? You need to have at least 4 years work experience before going to a top business school. If you get in before 4 years, I recommend not going because you're going to be disadvantaged versus your classmates when you're applying for jobs. 4 years is a great number. You can spend 4 years at one company. If you do, then make sure you please get promoted before applying. Or you can do 2 years at one company and 2 years at another company. So you could do McKinsey or some other consulting firm for 2 years, and then maybe try banking for 2 years. But have a good reason in your essays why you changed careers after 2 years. Okay, make sure that it's in line with your career goals. And I learned the hard way why you need work experience. This is a self-deprecating, funny story, but when I was learning about business schools when I was an undergrad at McGill University in Canada, I really wanted to go to MIT. It has a fantastic program at Sloan. And so I flew down and I met with the admissions director. And during the interview, the admissions director said to me, "Chris, tell me about your work experience and when did you exceed your customers' expectations? Give me an example." And so I scratched my head and I said, well, during the summers to pay for my undergrad, I used to cut grass. And instead of leaving the pieces of grass on the lawn, I'd pick them up and put them in a plastic bag and then put it on the corner of the street for my client. And the admissions director looked at me, smiled. She put her glasses on, took my application and gave it back to me and said, "Here, please get some work experience first. I want to save you the $165 admission fee." So anyway, sorry to get off track there, but it's kind of a funny story. You really need to get a good 4 years of work experience first.